Hello guys, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, 26 July 2023, and we have FOMC news coming in around 2 o'clock p.m. New York time or 7 o'clock p.m. Nigerian time. I don't usually trade high impact news, especially NFP, CPI or FOMC. This is my first time actually trading FOMC news. But before then, it's actually 30 minutes before the news drops. So let's just see what the market is doing and what we are anticipating on the news. The DXY here. So DXY traded into this FVG here. And also this is slightly traded into this FVG here. And also into this volume imbalance. This is actually volume imbalance here. Okay, so this is volume imbalance. The price traded into the volume imbalance. Volume imbalance. Let's put it on the right side. Okay, so this is on DXY daily time frame. Price traded into this daily FVG. Traded into the volume imbalance, the daily time frame volume imbalance, and closed bearish. So I actually think it created the high of the week. Tuesday or Wednesday actually creates the high of the week, but it doesn't always occur all the time. But I think 80% of the time, Tuesday or Wednesday creates the high or low of the week. So on the DXY, I'm actually expecting price to trade into this place. This here. Like I do say, we need to know where price is coming from, and we need to know where price is heading to. You know, market moves from liquidity, from external liquidity to internal liquidity, and vice versa. So price is coming from this daily FVG and is going to this daily bullish FVG here. Provided that this high is not taken out, we are bearish till price trades into this, this daily FVG here, because it has already taken out this low here. That's already taken out this low, kind of wanting to form a swing high here. So on the daily time frame, similar. So price traded into this equilibrium. If you watched my video on the pre-market analysis, I said I was expecting price to trade into this equilibrium here and possibly into this 62 retracement level, which is the FVG, which is the daily FVG here too. So price kind of traded into the equilibrium, I also said that if price should trade into the equilibrium, I will be flexible on expecting a bullish move to occur if I see any BMX on a time frame not less than the 4-hour time frame. So here we can actually see price traded into this daily, into the equilibrium here, closed kind of bearish, kind of a contraction candlestick too. So here I'm expecting price to trace up to fill this daily time frame FVG here. So on the 4-hour time frame, price gave a typical BMX here. So price gave a BMX here. So the FOMC, I'm actually expecting price to trade into this 4-hour FVG here. So I'm expecting price to trade into this 4-hour FVG during the FOMC, provided that this low is not violated. Price will trade into this place and I'll be taking it up. So that is my analysis for the FOMC. So let's just see why I, kind of got this FVG, this 4-hour FVG here got my interest. One thing I do say is that for you to have a high probability setup, what you're expecting, if what you're expecting occurs on, kind of, let me say different time frame, let me say 4-hour, 3-hour, 2-hour, 1 hour, it kind of gives you this confidence that price will hold that particular liquidity. So here, on the 3-hour there, we can also see this 3-hour FVG or the 4-hour FVG the price hasn't traded into. So going to the 2-hour time frame, still the same thing. Price didn't trade into it, and also on the 1-hour time frame, we can actually see that same FVG price didn't trade into it. So this is what caught my interest. So I'm expecting price to trade into it at the same time, kind of take out this sell-side liquidity here. So price will use this opportunity to take out a sell-side liquidity here. This is a sell-side liquidity. So I'm expecting price to trade into this FVG here, and during the FOMC we'll be taking it up. So let's just see. It's actually remaining about 20 minutes before the news drops. Although we have the 2 o'clock news and the 2:30 news, New York time.
20 minutes later,
there is an equal high up beneath the daily AVG here. This is the daily AVG that I marked here. So there is an equal high here. So potentially that's my draw on liquidity to more reason I'm expecting price to push up. So 2 on the 15 minutes time frame, can actually see that same AVG here with bonds of liquidity beneath here. You can see this liquidity, this swing low here, swing low here, swing low here, swing low here, swing low here. So all these are liquidity points where I'm expecting price to actually take it out and then be taking it up. So it's actually 2 minutes into 2 minutes before the news drops. I just closed it. Okay, price was price took out the sell side liquidity and traded up. It actually traded into the forward AVG. I get my box. Price fairly traded into the forward AVG and started moving up. This price gave a DMX shift map structure here. Normally, Fomc would have given seek and destroy move, whereby it will take both the buy side and the sell side. Sometimes price might actually just draw to the higher time frame entry and just move, sometimes, but you just have to be flexible and know your risk. Know your risk and know how much you are going to lose before entering any trade. So that's one thing I always tell myself. Once you accept the risk, you go ahead and do whatever you want. So let's see. Price dropping. Probably price might even be reaching here. So let's just be watching. Now, there's another news coming around 30 minutes from now. The statement, there will be a Fomc press conference. I think that will be another volatility news. It's either it goes up or it comes down on that one, because I clearly can't say. But this is what I actually anticipated. Price taking out this sell side liquidity, trading into these FVGs, probably slightly or filling it completely, which it did. Price took out the sell side liquidity, traded into this FVG here, the 4-hour FVG here, which also translated to multiple time frames, including the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and 15 minutes. So price did it and went up, which is what I already had anticipated. So price actually took me out by, I think, 0.5 pips. Took me out by 0.5 pips. This is it. So my stop loss was around here, 1.10567. That was my stop loss. So price, I was actually expecting this on the 2:30 opening, and this is price took me out by 0.5 pips, and actually it just hit my TP now. It just hit my TP and started reversing. Actually, seems like I knew. So immediately price opened at the 2:30 opening time. Immediately price opened, price came down, took me out immediately, and started going up. I would have entered back, but I was like, I didn't want to overtrade. I didn't want to reverse trade. I have already accepted the loss. Actually, I think I reached 0.5% of my account. So that's just it. Price took me out and hit my TP. It's actually normal, but I didn't want to reverse trade. That's why I didn't hold me back, because I actually saw this happen. I actually saw this candle form. Immediately this is actually another opportunity for me to have entered here. Immediately price took out this, closed as an engulfing candlestick. That's an ICT classic reversal pattern. I would have entered there, but I actually wanted to enter, but then it was just like me telling myself, no reverse trading, no over trading. I've actually accepted the loss, so let the trade just move. So that's just it for the FOMC news trading. actually we met our targets. The daily FVG has been filled. Probably I'm actually expecting price to still continue to probably fill this 4-hour FVG here. Then probably tomorrow we'll continue being bullish if this price should also close. Yeah, probably by tomorrow we'll continue being bullish. So these are the XY here. It didn't actually hit here. This was actually, it haven't traded into the daily FVG here. So although price might still trade it, even if it's not today, maybe tomorrow being Thursday. So that is just it for the FOMC news trading. Thank you for watching up to this time. Don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe this video, because I actually made this video for you to actually get to see how most times FOMC news is being traded. So don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.